Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the end of December, or we can say in the end of the year 2021. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right, I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies in this reading. So let's get started. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me if you want. Let's see what is there for my Aries. End of the year 2021 energies for my Aries. Past, present and future, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Aries. Okay. All right, so at the back of the deck we have the Six of Cups over here. So this could be a situation which could have dealt in the past. I'm sorry. So as I was saying, that this could be a situation which kind of dealt in the past, or this could be a situation where you were trying to connect with your older self. You know, when we become a better version of ourselves and we see our older self and we feel that yes, I was different back then and I am different now. So this could be your energy. Okay, in the past we have release, awakening and Three of Swords. The release is death energy, awakening is the Hanged Man. See, okay, so what I'm getting over here is somewhere that you were at a position where you have left some kind of a situation. It could be a situation where you ended some things by yourself. You know, a transformation was there, a spiritual transformation it could be, because of something happened. All of a sudden things might have ended. It could be a heartbreak in your life, something big which you had to let go. Somewhere you had to let go a person, you had to let go a situation, had to let go a big business breakdown, it could have been as well. Okay, so you had to let it go, and it was, and you understood that this thing is temporary, it will not go with me forever. In the present we have Queen of Pentacles, Justice and Nine of Pentacles. I feel that you have, because of that thing which happened with you in the past, you became really practical, you became more generous than before, and at the same time money is important to you, but at the same time you feel that, you know, something, you should start loving yourself more than you should expect people to love you. See, I feel that your independence, your happiness, your self-love, it brought it somehow, it came towards you, and you tried, you became really impartial with some things. You became very much into, you know, whatever is wrong, whatever is right for me is right. So for you, right and wrong thing is a part of you. You do not go with society anymore. You feel that if something is wrong, it's wrong for me. If something is right, it's right for me. Okay, so you try to see all sides of a situation and then decide. This is how your present time is going, and you feel that everything is fine. You stand up for your own belief. In the coming future we have Five of Wands, the World and Page of Cups. I see that some kind of a journey or some kind of an obstacle might be approaching you or might be coming towards you, but somewhere you, again, that Justice energy which is in the middle of the reading, it feels like you are going to take that action, or you might even end some things in your life by understanding that what is right and what is wrong for you. Okay, it could be a message from the universe, it could be a message from somebody whom you are expecting, a past person coming back and trying to connect with you. That is something which is coming towards you. So you might not be able to enter into any more conflicts with that person. So you are coming towards a decision making with this person who has approached you from the past. Okay, well, let's clarify your energies. I'm going to take this card, this deck only for clarification. Tell me more about the Six of Cups. in the overall energy for my Aries. We have 10 of Wands. Yeah, definitely. If this is a person who has come towards you and they are trying to connect with you, it feels like you do not want to enter into any that kind of a stress which that person has offered you in the past. You do not want to go back to the same stress which you had before in the past, and you are in need of balancing that situation right now. And I think that you are doing it. This person is stressing you, this person is trying to connect with you, but I feel that you do not want to enter into any that kind of a stress, and you are trusting yourself and your own belief, and you are taking a decision which is perfect. I see that whatever decision is in your head, it's perfect for you somewhere, okay? Because I see that you are clear with your mind. I do not see any two energies here right now. Till now I didn't see any two of pentacles, two of wands, two of swords energy. No. So it feels to me that you have more, somewhere you have just kept this thing in mind that I am going to be like this. I do not want to go in that particular situation. No, you're very much clear, which is coming up in the cards for you. Okay, so tell me about the Hanged Man energy in the past. Eight of Swords. See, so somewhere in that past energy, you kind of trapped in some kind of a situation. It could be a fear of entrapment in a situation. It could be a feeling that I'm not ready to end that relationship, I'm not ready to end that particular thing in my life, because I'm afraid of taking any action right now. What if nothing happens? What if this thing might end up bad? You were afraid somewhere of taking risks in life. But whereas in the present, I see that you have become a risk taker in your life. So there is a change which is coming up with you. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles in your present. We have Four of Swords at your present energy and Queen of Swords. Okay, so this could be you, or this could be two people in your life, or other than you, a person other than you. Okay, so this is more like you are taking rest. Okay, whatever decisions you have to take, you are, as I told you, with the Justice energy, you are seeing all the sides of a situation. You are not hurrying up in any decision making. This might be taking some time. If this person has come back in your life, if a past person has come back in your life, somewhere you are not taking a decision in a very fast manner. You are thinking about that thing, and you are trying to understand the person's intentions towards you, and I feel that you have already understood their intentions towards you, and you are trying to look forward for a better or for a perfect time to take an action in regards with that person. Wow. Okay, so tell me about the Nine of Pentacles energy in the present for my Aries. We have Ace of Pentacles. So, okay, so a part of you, I feel that, is saying no to that person, and a part of you is wanting to have talk with that person again, because you feel that this person has changed somewhere, and that is why you want to give a new opportunity or one more chance to this person, which is coming up in my cards. Okay, so you are seeing all the parts of the situation. I don't see you being very much biased right now. Although you are more practical in a situation, the 80-20% kind of a thing is more towards practicality of the situation rather than being emotional, because your emotions were shattered by this person, and you will not let that person fool you again. Let's see your future energies. Tell me about the Five of Wands in the coming up future. Eight of Wands. I see things are going on really fast. Okay, so you are Again, you are standing up for yourself and your belief. That is definitely, that is which is coming up with you. You're not entering into any kind of drama. I feel that if this person brings up drama again in your life, so you somehow will walk away from that drama and you won't let that happen. You won't let yourself hurt. No matter that you might be rude to that person, but you will not let yourself hurt again from this person. Let's see with the world energy why the world card is here. Okay, 10 of cups. Wow. So this is like a new beginning as well as an ending. I feel somewhere that you will show your trait. You will show the real you to this person. And this person might not even expect you to be that kind of a person. All of a sudden, oh my god, Aries, what happened to you? You were not like that. You were too much emotional with me. You were too much into me at that particular point of time, and all of a sudden when I come back in your life, you are not like that anymore. So this is that Aries, that person's energies towards you. That where are your emotions? Although you will be showing emotions, but as I told you that you are more practical this time rather than being emotional fool again. So yeah, this is like starting a relationship with new intentions, but not letting yourself fool by other person. So yeah, this is a very different Aries, a very strong Aries in front of me today. Tell me about the Page of Cups. Page of Pentacles, yes. So I feel that if you will get involved with this person again, or if this is a situation in which you are involved again, like a past situation coming back in your present, and again you're starting or you are giving one more chance to this past person or past situation, you are trying to be very much hideous this time, and you are not letting the other person take advantage of you, and you are not going to give 100% of yourself. Okay, it is more like an energy where you are telling that if you're asking for any commitment from me, please do not ask for that, because I'm not in a mood to give any commitment this time to you. This is more like taking slow this time. So yeah, you have become very slow when showing up the emotions kind of a thing comes up. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.